Hello children, so welcome to this cursive writing tutorial which I am mainly doing it for the junior classes, especially for class 1 and 2. Since these words are small words, so I have kept it for these classes. But if others want to see this tutorial or they want to improve their handwriting, they can go ahead. Followed? This is the initial stage. That's why I have kept it for them, because the ones which I did with states and countries and cities, that was for the little grown-up children, 3rd, 4th and 5th. But here class 1, 2, 3 also can join this and see what the letters are saying and how these capital letters are joined with the small letters. So let's get started and go to the board. Now the first letter in the alphabets is A, capital A. I will start. So you have to keep the pencil on the first line, first, second, third line you keep, take it to the first line like this. Followed? A. From the third line go up to the first line, come down to third line, go up to the second line and then bring it like this out and write R, M, arm. Followed? So this was the first letter A. Understood? Now the next letter with B we will write a word. Keep the pencil on the first line, come down to the third line, turn like this left, go up to the first line, make a round like this from first to second line, from second to third line this way, and go to the second line like this. A, C, K. Back. Followed? What is this? Back. Then we will start with the next letter, capital C, and keep the pencil on the second line, go up in a slanting way to third line, come down like this in a rounded way to the third line and take it in like this. Now see, we do not join it with any other letters. So we will write close to it H. Slanting way, come down, loop letter this is, go up on the second line and then from third line to second line make I, then N, and put the dot now. Chin. Followed? So now we will do the next letter. So the next letter we will start D and we will make a word with D, starting with D. Keep the pencil on the first line, come down to the third line this way, turn left like this, then come inside again to the third line only, go up and bring like this. I R T. Put the dot and here one line. Dirt. What is this? Dirt. Followed? And now we will start with E. Capital E. Keep the pencil on the second line. Go up to the third line in a slanting way. Come like this. Make a loop. And then this way. And E Y E S eyes. Follow this because you have to do the strokes properly. If the strokes are not right, your handwriting will never be right. Followed? Now we will start with F. Capital F on the first line this way. Bring it to the third line like this. Go to the second line like this. N G E R S, fingers. Now cross this like this and put the dot on top. See children, you must know very well that which capital letter joins with any other small letter and which ones don't. Followed? So the next letter we will start with G. Go in a slanting way like how you make C. Go to the first line like this. Come in a rounded way to third line. Go to second line this way. And then come down to the fourth line, G. Now R A I N S, grains. Put the dot on the I. Followed? And now we will start with H. From the second line, go to first line in a slanting way, come down straight like this and turn. Then go again on the first line, come down to the third line and go up like how you went for A. H, from this tail only it should come out and another letter is joined with it. A, N, D, hand. Followed? So you have seen with H. Now we will start with I, capital I. Keep the pencil on the second line. Come like this. Make a dash. Then go up to the first line. Come down. Turn like this. Then go back like this to the second line. If you are making any letter, you can join with I and then E. Ice. What is this? Ice. So understood? And now we will take up the next letter. Followed? So let's write with J. Followed? Keep the pencil on the second line, like how for I you had kept like this. Bring it this way, go up, come down to the fourth line, turn like this, left, go, crossing the third line, go up, come like this, make U and then N and then K. Junk. Followed? Junk. So have you seen how we write capital J with all the other letters, how we join? And now after J we will start with K. From second line, go in a slanting way to first line, come down like this, turn like this. Then from first line, bring it this way to second line, turn up and come down. K, N, E, E, knee. Followed? And now with L. From second line, go to first line like this, turn left and bring it down like how you bring for D, like this. Then go to second line, then bring to the second line again and come back to the third line and to fourth line and then turn like this. Leg. Followed? Now the next letter M. From the third line, go up to first line in a slanting way, come down like you make A like that, go up again and this way, come down to third line. Then from there only start another letter O, U, T, H, mouth. Followed? And now we will start the next letter with next letter N. Keep the pencil on the third line, go up like how you went for M, same way, come down, go up. Now N, we don't join it with any other letter, and from here we will start from close. E, C, K, this way, neck. Follow? L, J, K, L, M, N, and now with O. We will write with O. So we can write, keep the pencil on the first line, come down to the third line in a rounded way, go inside and bring it out like this. R, A, N, G, E, orange. Followed? So till O we have done, and now the next letter we will start. Followed? So now you see, till O we have completed, and now we are going to take up the next letter, P. Followed? And with P, again P is such a letter which is not joined with any other letter. Followed? So how we write P? Now we're going to see. Keep the pencil on the first line, come down to the third line, turn left, go up, and like how for B you made, like this, P. And then since we don't join it, we will write the next letter close by, U, L, S, E, S. Pulses. So we have written what? Pulses. No? And now we will start with the next letter, that is Q. Followed? So see how we make Q, like how we made O, go like this, from the first to the third line, go up, bring it in like this, and from here we will make a tail, and from this tail we will join another letter, Q, U, E, U, E, Q. We stand in a line, no? That is called Q. Stand in a line, no? We say make a Q and go. So Q, and then with R, capital R. Keep the pencil on the first line like this, come down to the third line, turn like this, like how you turned for P, go up to the first line, come to the second line like this, I, C, E, rice. Put the dot now. So children, you have seen till R, and now I'll take up the next part next time after R, whichever letters are there. So keep practicing and you will definitely improve your handwriting. So 1 word, 2 words, full page you write one day. Not necessary to write till here, till rice, the whole thing. No, start with 1 word and then go next and next and next every day, and then automatically your handwriting will become very beautiful. Followed? So stay home, be good to everyone, and exercise yourself every day, eat good food, drink plenty of water, wash your hands many times, and never ever dishearten your parents. Obey them and be respectful to everyone. So for now I may take a leave, isn't it? So next time again I will meet with some small words for you. So this is for 2-3 weeks. You must keep continuing 2 words a day. So have a nice time, enjoy yourselves, study nicely. Bye for now.